Today we're going to talk about the breaker in your generator tripping and how to fix it. Because I had the generator going, the AC going, and then I tried to make some coffee and it tripped it, wouldn't work, and I couldn't figure out how to fix it. So here we go. So wait, let's talk about what happened, what Heather did, so what not to do.
So we had the generator going, the AC running, and Heather decided to make a cup of coffee. Currently, right now, with the control system with Precision and the Onan generator, the AC running and the generator running, you can't plug in the coffee maker or run the coffee maker. I'm going to call Precision tomorrow. There might be a way, because we had this change to a 21 amp. There's also maybe a panel back there. We're going to call them tomorrow. But what happened is it tripped the breaker on the generator, which is really hard to get to, especially if you don't have a lift.
Well, and so I've researched for 2 days trying to find a video. If you have one of these vans on the Onan generator, where to reset the breaker.
I don't have a lift right now to put it on. It's out of my driveway, so I have to crawl underneath there and go underneath, take the front cover panel off. I couldn't see it before, but...
All right, here, if you see the yellow button at the bottom, I'm getting the picture. I can't reach my... It's so hard to see, but it's right below the manual start button, and you have to flip it up.
So you just reach in there, you take that off, you reach in there, and then you flip the button?
It's down below the manual start button. It's down here. You have to reach your finger down there and pop it up.
And why are we doing this?
Because Heather overloaded the air conditioner and everything.
Let's see how it works now. So when you turn on these, when you turn this on, okay, you're gonna hit, did you already hit it?
Auto start, I just did it. It changes color, so.
So we hit auto start before I told him to. You already hit it?
Yeah, it's gonna get,
so,
there's always a
yeah, so there's the delay, and what you have to listen for is the beep. And so that's what,
transfer switch.
yeah, that was not happening before. So usually after about 20-30 seconds you get a beep, and it was never beeping because I tripped it.
So you can't run the AC, you can't run the microwave or anything until you hear that transfer switch flip on the power.
Listen for the beep. Listen for the beep.
It takes about 30 seconds.
Okay, that was the beep. That's what you want to hear.
There's a power control system. You go to loads, and it says the water heater, the AC, they're all powered. It didn't say shed, it didn't say anything. It just says they're all powered. You can see now you're getting the amps. See, 3-4 amps, you have that here. So now, once you get all that, you're powered, right? You know it's powered, you can do it. So then I go to the air conditioner, turn it on low. Now the AC will kick on, because it wouldn't let the AC work. Now the AC works fine. You can hear when the AC kicks on, the generator, you hear the generator.
So, learning lesson of the day. Do not have your generator running with the AC and then try and make coffee. The whole point is we realized now how to fix it. And that's why we're going to do this video. So you will be able to fix yours too.
Yep.
Bye-bye. All working. Thank you, Chris.